Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the text split function on Microsoft Excel. Sometimes people would like to split the one column values into multiple columns. In this situation, how they can split the values? Let's learn how you split using text split function. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. In my Excel workbook, I would like to split this column value into multiple column values. Just add the formula. So first you have to add the text split. Then you have to select the cell what you would like to split the value. Then you have to add comma. Then have to add the comma. Then you have to close bracket. Then click tab. Now you have to check it out. The text has been splitted into multiple columns. So you can apply this formula to all rows. Here it's not applied because of here they are using the semicolon. So we have to remove this. Then we have to update the formula. After the cell value, you have to add the open parenthesis and add the close parenthesis. So inside of this double colon, we have to add, inside of the double quote, we have to add the semicolon. Now you have to hit enter. Now you have to apply the formula to all rows. That's it. Now the formula has been properly applied for all rows. So in this way you can use the text split function in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.